It's hard to imagine any mechanical pencil collection without Pentel 200 series. Today we are going to take a closer look at Pentel P205, which quickly became a widely known classic. Firm-built, high-quality plastic, lightweight, ergonomic design, and durability make this pencil a prime choice for many artists and great for everyday use. Whether you are using a vintage model from the 70s or a modern one, the quality is still there. I've been using this pencil for several years now, primarily for sketching and drawing, and have been really liking the feel of it. The grip texture makes it extremely comfortable and enjoyable to hold and use. The process of recharging this pencil with graphite is simple and easy. In older models, there is a little needle inserted in the eraser to help with cleaning any graphite leftovers in the lead sleeve. After using it for years, there aren't many disadvantages to point out. That said, the needle in the eraser that we have seen earlier is not present in the newer models that I've come across, but it would definitely be nice to have. Also, the tip of the pencil, the pocket clip and the push-button cap can be a bit shiny and distracting if working under a lamp. But that's the reality of many pens and pencils. Overall, this pencil offers one of the best value for the price to this day, and I would definitely recommend it. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.